Hello my friends, in this case we want to create quickly the walls, floor, Knauf and the roof from a plan or from a line. Okay, in the top viewport I want to draw a rectangle and I set the parameters length equal 350 and width 450 for the dimensions of our plan. I want to draw two rectangles about 40 and 30 centimeters for the columns or for this part of the plan. So I want to place them one here and clone it, and I want to place it here and set its distance from the beginning of the plan negative 100 centimeters or equals 1 meter. So I want to draw a line from here like this, and so press Ctrl I to inverse selection and delete them. Okay, we have this plan here. You can import your plans from the AutoCAD or you can draw them into the 3D Studio Max. So I want to clone it, select it and press Ctrl V in copy mode and go to modifier panel and spline sub-object mode, and I want to set an outline. So in its out set it to negative 10 centimeters and I turn off the sub-object mode. Extrude it equals 300 centimeters or 3 meters. So select this line that it's here, and also I want to create the Knauf, so clone it with pressing Ctrl V and copy mode and isolate it. Go to vertex mode and with the connect button I want to connect these vertices together. So we have a closed spline here. Go to spline mode, select this spline, and I want to set this outline into this spline. Set the 40 centimeters. So we have this problem here. I want to solve it. Go to vertex mode, select all vertices and set its kind to corner. Turn off the sub-object mode, extrude it equals 10 centimeters. I exit from the isolate mode. You can see we have this Knauf here. I want to place it, so click Alt A, click on my wall and set it to maximum in Z axis. Press apply and OK. So we have this line here. I want to draw or create a floor in this place. Go to vertex mode, select this bottom or connect and connect them together. Exit vertex mode and convert it to editable body that we have the surface with zero thickness here, like a floor. And I want to draw the roof. Go to top viewport, select line in corner mode, and draw these lines in out of my plan and close it. Click Alt A, and so again set the position of this line in maximum and z-axis and extrude it equals 10 centimeters. And so in the last step, select the Knauf and move it negative 10 centimeters for the gap between the Knauf and the roof. So you can see we can draw 4 parts of the our building or our room from a line or plan: floor, walls, Knauf, and the roof very quickly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow our page in Instagram. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson.